Okay, so in front of me, I have another cool yacht by the same creator who made the yacht last time. Let me show you. So this yacht is called the Sunseeker 131 Yacht. Um, I'll flash it on screen by who it's made from. I can't remember. I don't know how to pronounce the creator's name, but yeah, let's just check it out. So it looks like we have some gear in here. Looks like we have pistol and some ammo. I don't think we need that yet, just yet. Well, hopefully not. Is there any lights? Oh, there we go. Ooh, that looks pretty cool right there. Definitely a lot less laggy than the last one, which is good. Um, this looks like a little dining area where you can eat, sit, and talk with your friends. Oh, it says this is a saloon, I guess. Oh, yep, it's like infinite. That's crazy. So it's like there's a mirror right here. Okay, so let's go see. This looks like this could be the kitchen. It's pretty cool. This is the crew entrance. We'll look at that later. Let's get out to sea first, and then we can go see what's there and see what's in here. So, what's this? Oh, so this is the lounge, I guess. Where do we drive it? Oh, ooh, that's really cool. You know, we'll just leave it open because yeah. So let's see. Um. Oh, it's just like the other one. You just press it and it goes. Yo, look at this. So cool. It's very fast too. Let's get it out maybe like that way or somewhere. Okay, so it looks like it does have a door right there. I do see a button right there. So maybe this has some jet skis or whatnot. But yeah, so I think it might be good right, I'll say right about here. Pretty nice. Oh, that's oh wow, that's let's see if we can turn on them. There we go. Ooh, it looks pretty cool in here. Okay, let's look out here real quick. Let's see. Very nicely done. I do say I am liking this one a little bit more than the other yacht that we checked out yesterday. But yeah, let's go down to the, oh, it's not going there. Let's go check where I think it was the crew entrance, I think it was. Yeah, crew entrance. Let's check down here. Um, what the, yo, this is sick. Um, so this is crew cabin 1 and 2. Now let's just, what's here? So crew entrance, another one. Oh, so it looks like there's up here. Also, you get to see out. I think this is the back of the boat right there. Um, lounge, uh, lighting. Is there some? Oh, here's another pool, hot tub. I don't know what this is called, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Get out of it. Um, let's turn all the lights on. Let's go back to the deck, or maybe we find a seat that we can sit in. So then we can see what it looks like at night. Yeah. Let's sit right here. Let's turn current time, nighttime. Yo, this looks amazing. Okay, well let's turn it back back today because let's go check out. Let's go check out what's back there. Oh. Okay, let's go see. It's a little laggy. Maybe I probably shouldn't have turned on all the lights. Let's shut some lights off. Yo, okay, this is actually really cool. So, garage light. Oh, maybe we should. How do I just? Let's see if we can detach the hoses, but. Oh, let's. I forgot what to drop is. I think it's. Is it backspace to drop? Oh, yeah. Let's just drop all this stuff, because. Let's get, you know, let's just get all this stuff. It's gonna be a little messy in here, but whatever. Let's get, Jet Ski 2 out. Okay, let's hop on. Oh, let's get in right here. Oh, wait, probably should hit the magnets first. Oh, magnet. It's nice how this just sits right in here. Let's go check this out. Does it just go? Oh, does it go? Oh. Yo, this is really cool. Let's see what happens if we get to it. Just like, oh. You know, we'll just leave this behind, you know. Oh, what the? Get it. Let's just hop into here. Nice and easy. Let's magnet up, move it back, and that will just stay out there. Yeah, I think there might be more to this boat that we can check out. Let's see if there is anything. Let's head down here, maybe? Did I already come down here? I can't remember, but yeah, you know what? Let's turn up the wind. Let's turn up some wind and see what we can get out here. Let's head to the... Is it me, or is it actually, like, spinning the boat? Oh, it's pushing the boat. They're not really high, big waves, but let's turn it down a little bit. But yeah, they're actually doing really good. This boat's doing really good. Let's go like this. Maybe it'll like, yo, it's not even rocking, not one bit. Wow, this is really cool. Really good job. Ooh. Let's spawn a tsunami. Got the sirens in the background. So I think the tsunami would spawn. I think it's gonna come pushing through this way, because we're to the right, because that's where the waves are. So I think we might head this way, or is it gonna spawn behind us? I don't know. Let's look on the horizon, see if we can see anything. Nope. Not seeing anything. It's just Oh, oh, I think that's it. I think I see it. Or is that an island? That's the island, or... Yeah, I think that's an island. Let's check the map. Oh, wait. Yo, that's it right there. That's not no island. Oh my gosh. Look how big it is. Yo, let's see. Yo, it's getting real tough through here. Let's see if we can spin it around just in time. You know what? Let's go up it and then let's see if we can chase it. Oh, 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 we're just... Oh, it's good. Shoot us on the other side. Now it's a flying boat. No, spin around, spin around. This boat is just insane. Now let's see if we can catch up. If we can, then this boat will be literally insane. Okay, let's look. Oh, are we catching on it, or are we just... I don't know, but this is crazy out here. Oh, there's a... I think that's the creative island. That might be the creative island. That's crazy. Whoosh. Yo, we actually are catching it. I didn't really check. Yeah, see, look, 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 look. Oh my gosh. This is just insane. Just keep looking. It just goes like... Are we going up it, or are we going to go straight through it? What does it look like first? Oh my. Yo, it's just like engulfed. There's the other side. Okay, is it just gonna shoot out? Oh my. This is pure. This is legendary. You know what? Let's get a little head start. Let's hop out. We'll get to the top deck. So if we're here, how can we get up there? So one, we can... I think we might have to get out. We can just hop right there. You like this? Just chilling out here. Yo, let's actually get right here just in case. You know what? Nah. Yo, it's gonna shoot us out. Oh my gosh. Yo, I don't know if I should be scared. Oh my gosh. It's like... Yo. Oh my gosh, I'm swimming. Oh, no, 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 the boat. The boat. The boat, I'm getting dragged. The boat. Yo, the entire back right here is just like underwater. Come on. Yes! Now that was just crazy. No, I think the tsunami, yeah, should just become calm like that. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, well, I am going to end it here, guys. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you can always keep up with the next video I post. So I'll see you guys in the next video.